the social activist. Sir, please be on stage. Audience, please, a big round of applause. कहते हैं ताली बजाने से आप ना खाली दूसरे को कुछ दे रहे हैं बल्कि आपका भी एक्टिवेट हो रहे हैं सारे पॉइंट्स, एनर्जी पॉइंट्स. तो प्लीज थोड़ा जोरदार ताली. I would also like to invite Mr. Virender Singh, the man who is leading the organization, Global Event and Seminar, and running the Suman Singh Foundation parallelly. Sir, please be on stage, Mr. Virender Singh. And last but not the least, Mr. A.K. Mishra sir, to accompany Mr. Rajkumar Gupta ji and Mr. Virender Singh. Thank you, sir, for your presence on the stage. Now we hereby begin the award ceremony.
सम्मान करना है. वो सीपी मित्तल हैं और उनको सम्मान करके ना फटका बना दे दें. 2 मिनट का काम, पहले उनको बुला लीजिए. सीपी मित्तल.
मैं मंच पर आमंत्रित करती हूँ सीपी मित्तल जी को कि वो हमारे बीच आए और एक छोटा सा सम्मान स्नेह के रूप में हमारे बीच है. सीपी मित्तल जी आइए, स्वागत है.
मैं यहाँ पर आमंत्रित करना चाहूँगी केरल से आए मिस्टर शिबा जी फॉर द वोट ऑफ थैंक्स. सर, प्लीज बी ऑन स्टेज. शिबा जी फ्रॉम केरला.
Yes.
For the vote of thanks, please, ma'am.
Hello. Yeah, ma'am, a little bit responsibility I want to share, even I am very much tired, that since I myself have prepared all the photographs for awardees, and of course, few of them may be the latecomers, even whatever alone I was fighting that, you can say all these things, may be delay. Few of the persons, of course, due to very heavy pressure and lots of activity, I missed. I really feel extremely sorry, but even when I got that message, I realized I have invited immediately. Now what will be my role, since I have prepared all these things? Personally, I know the USPs of each and every awardees. What are their special things? Because of I have discussed to all the awardees in person. I will be just explaining the special feature, achievement, their very specific trait or characters. That will be my role. Rest of the thing, my fellow colleagues, anchors, they will be doing it because of they are more expert than me. Yes, please. Yeah, please continue. Shubhash Shigram, why to wait? Ab bilamb ke karan
The first name on the award list is Dr. Ranveer Sharda from Toronto, Canada. He is into the field of being awarded for the journalism, global brand ambassador. Sir, please.
Yes, please.
Dr. Ranveer Sharda ji.
Please. Dr. Ranveer Sharda, he is in Toronto, and his health, his age is more than 87. His health is not supporting. I am just explaining. He was the host of Tag TV USA and Canada. Several times I have made discussion on different national, international issues. He was the first person who introduced the Hindi type of the Akhbar, Hindi newspaper in Canada, Hindi news agency, all these journalism activity. The credit goes only to Dr. Sharda. Even this is the sad thing that we
A great round of applause for sir.
So please give a big hand. On behalf of Dr. Sharda, if audience allow me, I can accept the trophy. Please.
Yes, sure, sir.
Please.
A big round of applause for Dr. Ranveer Sharda and A.K. Mishra, sir.
This is for Dr. Ranveer Sharda ji. He is living in Toronto. I will hand over this thing. I will convey this message to him. एक mic दे दीजिए. एक mic दे दीजिए.
On the next name on the list is Dr. Raghuvendra Shukla, advocate at Supreme Court. He is being awarded for, he is an environmentalist, he is active president in Supreme Court और हिंदी के प्रचार के लिए वो समिति के अभिन्न अंग हैं. Dr. Raghuvendra Shukla ji,
Please welcome, as per my information, whatever the information I have gathered about Dr. Shukla, especially for extraordinary contribution in the field of law, professional, along with his practice by means of maintaining different kind of the designation on government as well as the in legal judiciary system. He is dedicated for Hindi language, for promoting the Hindi language across India. These two things are very much unique point, and that's why it is our honor that we are going to give this award to Dr. Shukla. Please, sir, thank you very much for coming.
निज भाषा उन्नति अहे सब उन्नति को मूल, बिन निज भाषा ज्ञान के मिटत न हिय को शूल. और सर वही काम कर रहे हैं, हिंदी के विकास के लिए, प्रचार प्रसार के लिए दिन रात एक कर रहे हैं. और हम लोगों के बीच हमारी मातृभाषा, हमारी माँ हिंदी के